Hello everyone, welcome back to Bunch of Opportunities. Today I'm going to share about one fellowship which is Amelia Earhart Fellowship, $10,000 for women in aerospace PhD. This is available to women worldwide pursuing PhDs in aerospace engineering or space sciences. In this video, you will have opportunity to learn how to apply, deadlines, what you get, and why these 10,000 awards could be life-changing. So Bunch of Opportunity is your ultimate hub for discovering the best opportunities. So to unlock such opportunities, stay tuned till the end. Imagine getting 10,000 straight into your aerospace research. That's exactly what the Amelia Earhart Fellowship offers. If you are a woman chasing a PhD in aerospace or space science, this could be your ticket forward. And let's break down what is it, how it's for, what to get, and how to apply. Let's talk about the opportunity, the fellowship, what is all about. So this fellowship was set up by Zonta International back in 1938 to honor Amelia Earhart. Every year they award up to 30 fellowships, each worth 10,000 US dollar to women worldwide studying PhD or doctoral degrees in aerospace engineering or space sciences. It doesn't matter which accredited university you attended. You can use the funds wherever you are enrolled. Eligibility criteria. Here's who can apply. Women from any nationality across the world, and you have to be enrolled full time in a PhD or doctoral program in aerospace engineering, as I already mentioned, or space science related programs. And you must have completed at least 1 year of your program. That means you have to complete 1 year in your PhD or doctoral program, or you can hold a master's degree in aerospace related fields at the time you are applying. So either you are in your first year of in your PhD or you are in your master's degree the moment you are applying. So you must not graduate before April 2027, keep in mind, for the November 2025 cycle. So for this fellowship, they have several cycles. So for the November 2025 cycle, you must not graduate before April 2027. And not eligibility. The postdoctoral researchers, previous fellowship recipients, junta members or employees, and their close family members. So if you are fall under this category, that time you are not eligible for this fellowship. So now it's time to deep dive about the benefits, because benefits motivate you and help you for the successful application. So you will receive 10,000 US dollar one time to help with the tuition, books, equipment, fees, or even living cost like travel, or room and board. Beyond the cash, you join a global elite network. Past fellows have gone on to become astronauts, leading aerospace researchers, company head, even Secretary of the US Air Force. So, after attending this fellowship, there is a good chance you can be one of them. Who knows, you might be the next head of Secretary, the US Air Force. Okay. And besides, from mentorship to recognition in academia and industry circles, the prestige alone open doors. Well, now let's talk about application process. So here's how it works step by step. At first, you have to go to the Zonta International Amelia Earhart Fellowship portal, which I'll attach in the description. Go to this link and complete the application form with your personal information and the study plans. Write a strong research proposal, and through your research proposal, show how your PhD ties directly to aerospace or space sciences. So this is most important, that you have to tie between your PhD, how it like related directly, and aerospace or space sciences. Yes, and you have to provide your official transcripts, PDF scan copy, not just screenshot or links, and the verification of full-time enrollment. So you have to prove uh, your enrollment in PhD or masters, providing official transcript, and you have to submit 3 recommendation letters. One can be from your thesis supervisor detailing your research alignment, and others two can be academia or professionals, or maybe any organization that you worked with before or you have been touch contact with them. And attach a publication list, citation only, not full papers, and submit everything before the deadlines, because if deadline is passed there is no point to submit. So keep in mind, submit everything before the deadline, and the selection committee reviews your submissions confidentially, and final decisions are made by the Zonta board. Notifications go out by late April. So here are some important dates that you should keep in mind if you are planning to apply for this fellowship. And the application deadline is November 15, 2025 for the 2026 cohort. And you must be enrolled full-time by the date and not graduate before April 2027, as I already mentioned. And award notifications arrive by end of April following submissions. And if you are woman pursuing a PhD in aerospace or space science and you meet the eligibility, don't let this opportunity slip by. Head to the link that I attached in the description to access the official Zonta application page. And if this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and share. It might just spark someone next step in science or aerospace engineering. Here's some additional info. You can't defer your fellowship. Also, if you are enrolled in the US and you use the money for tuition or books, is usually non-taxable. But if you spend it on living expenses or travel, there could be withholding taxes. So there is some additional information that I think you should take into consideration. And so far, if you find this information useful and it can help your career, academia, and professional, then hit the like and subscribe to a bunch of opportunities. Again, this is your ultimate hub for discovering the best opportunities across the globe. Keep learning, keep growing, think positive. Until then, thank you.